The Canadian Writing Research Collaboratory is an online environment for literary and cultural scholarship. CWRC has been designed to work with and build itself around active research projects in literary and cultural studies. It aims to lower barriers to participation in digital scholarship by offering integrated functionality for uploading, creating, editing, and disseminating digital content, whether in the form of digitized primary sources, secondary materials, or born digital content. It supports images, audio, and video in addition to a range of textual formats. CWRC houses more than 250,000 items in its repository. This provides a wide range of materials to explore. The content is organized into projects with individual identities and home pages. Many are active projects, but CWRC also houses archived materials, such as the early Canadian cultural periodicals bibliography. Multi-sites are bespoke websites developed and maintained by research projects. Their sites and content are hosted by CWRC and also accessible through the CWRC interface. CWRC integrates within a single online environment a digital repository and tools for enabling new forms of collaborative scholarship. And CWRC adds up to more than individual projects. You can search across all projects at once to get a rich set of results. As a member of CWRC, you have your own research space within which to experiment or prepare materials prior to publication. You can also access the rich content in the CWRC Commons collections, as well as all other public content in the repository, such as the Ellen Montgomery Project. You can send content to tools for visualization. For instance, send a set of materials directly to the Voyant Tools Visualization Suite to explore them through word clouds, statistics, and collocations in a dynamic text analysis environment. Or you could load them in Voyant's dynamic table of context browser. It's also part of Voyant Tools. CWRC content is not static but dynamic. CWRC is a workspace for digital scholarship. If you go to an Ellen Montgomery document in the CWRC Reader, for example, as a member of that project, you can edit the document directly in CWRC Writer with the click of a button. CWRC helps projects track information about what has been done and by whom each time a document is edited. These workflow stamps record progress through distinct steps. You can send notifications or assign the next step to someone else within the same screen. This history is saved for each document and allows the generation of reports for bulk workflow tracking. CWRC also saves earlier versions of documents and allows you to compare them and, if need be, revert them. All CWRC content is backed up in multiple places and also, through the University of Alberta Libraries, pushed into a long-term preservation environment so that the cultural materials and scholarship it hosts will be accessible to researchers of the future. You can also bag some or all of a collection's content for personal backup or to use it with external tools. Whether you are digitizing primary sources, gathering secondary materials, or creating born digital content, working with text, images, audio, or video, CWRC offers an end-to-end production and publication environment for literary and cultural research. It is open source, and most of its content is open access. It is designed to be accessible to technical experts and to mainstream humanities scholars. CWRC would not exist without our sponsors and partners, nor would it exist without the many talented people who have worked to create it or the fabulous research projects it supports. Please see our other videos showing specific functionality in more detail or consult our online documentation.